What is a common download/upload speed pairing for a traditional satellite internet connection? Traditional satellite internet connections commonly provide around 100 megabits per second download and 5 megabits per second upload speeds. What is a major drawback of traditional satellite internet connections due to the distance signals must travel to and from space? Traditional satellite connections have historically introduced about a quarter second of latency going up and a quarter second coming back down, totaling roughly half a second of round-trip latency. Approximately what latency does Starlink advertise, thanks to its satellites being closer to Earth than traditional satellite networks? Starlink's satellites orbit closer to Earth than traditional geostationary satellites, resulting in advertised latency of around 25 to 60 milliseconds. What term describes the loss of satellite signal connectivity caused by heavy storms or precipitation? Rain fade refers to the degradation or loss of satellite signal caused by heavy rain or storms interfering with the line-of-sight connection. What is a key advantage of fiber optic connections over copper for wide area network connectivity? Fiber optics can carry large amounts of data over much greater distances than copper, making it ideal for wide area network connectivity, though it is typically more expensive to install and repair. What term describes the technology that allows multiple frequencies carrying different types of traffic, voice, video, data, to run simultaneously over the same cable connection? Broadband refers to running multiple frequencies over the same wire simultaneously, allowing voice, video, and data services to share the same cable connection. What is the typical download speed range for cable internet connections using DOCSIS? Cable internet connections using DOCSIS commonly provide speeds ranging from 50 megabits per second up to 1 gigabit per second or higher, depending on the DOCSIS version in use. Why is DSL often referred to as asymmetric, ADSL? DSL is called asymmetric because downstream, speeds are typically much faster than upstream, speeds, for example, 200 megabits per second down versus 20 megabits per second up. What term describes using a mobile phone's cellular data connection to provide internet access to a single connected device, such as a laptop? Tethering refers to a one-to-one connection where a single device connects to a mobile phone to gain internet access through the phone's cellular data connection. What term describes using a mobile phone to provide internet connectivity to multiple devices simultaneously? A mobile hotspot allows a phone to provide internet access to multiple devices at the same time, unlike tethering, which is a one-to-one connection. What does WISP stand for? Referring to a wireless internet option often used in remote areas without cable or phone line access. A WISP, wireless internet service provider, delivers internet connectivity wirelessly, often via an outdoor antenna, and is useful in remote areas lacking cable or phone infrastructure. Great job! You made it through all 11 questions. Subscribe to Trivia Challenge for more fun challenges. See you next time.